Welcome back to Idiots in the Kitchen. I am Darb, this is Luke, and today we're making Darb's Dino dinner. When I think of ribs, I think of Fred Flintstone, and when I think of Fred Flintstone, I think of ribs. So, hence the name, Darb's Dino Dinner. Alright, so we're gonna preset the oven to 200 because we are going to be slow cooking these for 8 hours. Hey, they're both gonna fit. Hey, something's gonna work out in this episode. So, do we have all of the barbecue sauce there, Luke? That's right, you don't speak. It's been so long I forgot. I knew I should have bought more. Oh well. Do you want to go get the special ingredient while I coat this one? In the drawer that likes to give trouble, you will find Ziploc baggies. You could put some in and crush them on up. Please not try to break my mom's spoon.
Where does idea come from, Darb?
Darb's mind. I saw them in my room. I'm like, you know what? I'll use these on the ribs. I think you went a little overboard. The ribs are in the oven, and Darb and Luke will see you in 8 hours, ladies and gentlemen. And welcome back to Idiots in the Kitchen. Our ribs have been cooking. I know I said for 8 hours, but they've been cooking for 9 hours. So, while they cook a little more, we are going to be making a little fruit salad to go with them. Well, we have blueberries, jarred peaches, grapes, strawberries, watermelon, and pineapple. I needed something to go with the ribs, and I figured a nice little fruit salad would accompany it nicely. My favorite fruit? Dragon fruit.
Why is there no dragon?
Because we couldn't find any at the store. If you really must know. Go on, give it a little shake. With the lid. I'm not gonna argue. I asked you to give it a little shake. You gave it a little shake. He's an obedient little manservant, isn't he? And there you have it. Our Darb's Dino dinner. But we are not done. We have root beer, Fred's vanilla ice cream, and Hostess cupcakes. We are going to be putting the Hostess cupcake in the center of it. We just take the Hostess cakes and we, oh, it didn't sit the way it was supposed to. Oh, I'm gonna get one of these to sit right. Oh. 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 Well, none of them sat there they were supposed to sit. Okay, here we have it. Darb's Dino dinner. So here are the Hawaiian barbecue ones. Right off the bone. Speaking of which, sadly, you don't taste barbecue that much.
What do you taste?
The pork. But maybe that part didn't have a lot of barbecue on it. Let's try this one. Alright, here we go. They pair really well together. I like it. I made it like this once before. It's absolutely amazing. Turned out differently. The cupcake was actually able to sit directly on top. Granted, I made it in a different glass, so that might have helped form fit. So, oh well. But all in all, everything came out rather well. So, thank you for joining us on this episode of Idiots in the Kitchen. We'll see you next time. Be sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook. Have a good day, everyone.